Imagine waking up in the morning to your 3, 4, and 5-year-old children, and they say, "Mommy, Daddy, when I grow up," one of them says, "I want to be a bum." The other one says, "When I grow up, I want to be homeless." And the third one says, "When I grow up, I want to be on drugs." This scenario is highly unlikely to ever happen, coming out of the mouths of the young and inspired children as they look to grow older. What happens that causes the mass amount of homelessness, drug abuse, and those who are considered to be bummish? What happens? What psychological effects happening over time pushes one to behaviors that result in these outcomes? This is not just a case of an individual being lazy, not wanting to achieve, or just wanting to be hooked on drugs. Just like I said earlier, imagine any 3, 4, 5-year-old coming to their parents saying, "I want to be a bum. I want to be on drugs. I want to be homeless." This does not happen. This is why we must understand that the homeless, those who are hooked on drugs, those who you consider to be bums, are dealing with subtle psychological illnesses, some dealing with major psychological illnesses. Laziness in a fully developed human being is not simply a case of the individual wanting to be lazy. There are other factors that are contributing into a mindset that allows a human being to be and pursue laziness. Psychological help, psychological understanding is of prime importance. And until we become more compassionate in our pursuit of dealing and handling and observing life as it goes around, we need to look at those who are falling short and try to understand that there's definitely something going on deeper than just a personal decision out of a right mind to do things that are gonna cost them and make their lives that much more difficult. There's a psychological aspect, a psychological impingement, slight neurosis going on with individuals who are suffering in this way. Peace.